Deep inside Europe's most advanced aerospace facility, one of the largest and most complex flying machines in human history is built.
Stage 1. Design and aerospace engineering. Before metal is cut, everything exists digitally. What happens?
Stage 1. Design and aerospace engineering. Before metal is cut, everything exists digitally.
Engines if anything goes. These massive parts are transported in cargo ships, oversized trucks, and custom-built transport aircraft. Laser alignment ensures millimeter accuracy. Robotic drills create thousands of rivet holes. Sections are bolted and sealed.
The wings are aligned with extreme precision. The aircraft body is lifted, and hydraulic systems attach them.
Stage 7. Cabin and interior installation. Now luxury meets engineering. Interiors.
Aircraft enters massive paint hangar. Multiple protective and color layers applied. Precision drying under controlled temperature.
Certification is not the end, it's the start of a new life. The aircraft flies to the airline's home base. It is officially added to the airline's fleet.
Evacuate! Evacuate! Jump on the slide! Go! Go! Go!
Now the aircraft begins its real mission, used for long-haul international routes and high-capacity airports. Valuable parts are reused. Materials are recycled. Even in retirement, the aircraft gives back to aviation.
Engineers of South and Descent study retired aircraft for long-term wear patterns. Data is used to design safer, lighter, more efficient aircraft.
These aircraft help train the next generation of aviation professionals.
Stage 22. Historical preservation. A few aircraft early.
Stage 24. The future of aviation. What comes next? Sustainability is not the final step. It's the launch pad for the next era.
Next-generation aircraft design. Lighter composite materials and ultra-efficient wing shapes reduce drag and cut fuel burn dramatically. Artificial intelligence is reshaping flight. AI helps with optimal flight routes to reduce fuel use.
From raw materials to recycled metals, from first flight to final lesson, aviation never truly ends. It evolves.
Urban air mobility. Cities take flight. Aviation is moving inside cities, not New roles emerge. AI-assisted pilots, data engineers for flight analytics, green tech air.
From metal and motion to data and dreams, aviation has always moved humanity forward. The aircraft